Hey guys, it is Cameron. I'm wearing a hat because, so I delivered a car to Connecticut. On the way back, I get a call. There's a flood in the basement. It's been cleaned up. Had the water shut off on my way just to make sure. Several hours later, I'm home. I'm wearing a hat because there's spider webs in the ceiling. And so here's the leak. You can see that. Let me zoom in. It's right there. So, old copper pipes. Hey guys, how are you? It's Cameron. I'm not sure how much you can see. Should I do this? This might make it a little easier. I don't know if that helps. So, found the source of the leak. Ordinarily, I would just cut the pipes. I've got the fittings, the acetylene torch, and all that, and would just sweat the pipes properly and be done with it. But it's 8:30 at night. Just drove about 450 to 500 miles all the way to the middle innards of Connecticut and back to deliver a gorgeous 2018 911 C4S. Part of that VIP service that we provided, Porsche for special customers. This one being my NutriBullet guy who gave me an awesome new NutriBullet I'm excited to try. But so I'm making it at Home Depot before they close to buy some Sharkbites because they definitely do the trick. It's a little pricier, but it's quick, it's easy. And where this pipe's located, it's kind of deep behind some ceiling tiles I really don't feel like taking apart. So with the Sharkbite, I'll just be able to snip, you know, replace and be done with it. The Cayenne S Coupe made for a nice, fun, spirited drive to Home Depot, where we're gonna run in real quick. Hey guys, so in Home Depot, nice late run, get that pipe fitting, and be back to fix the leak. Might be the first time I've ever brought you guys into Home Depot. Something new. I love this place, by the way. Huge fan of Home Depot over Lowe's, by the way. Hey guys, so awesome. I didn't even realize this existed. Sharkbite has made what's called a slip connect adapter, which allows you to actually insert the pipe in without having to use a second piece, so it works perfectly. All right, so we're all set. I hate these masks, sorry. I know they're necessary, we have to wear them, but they do kind of wear on me. So yeah, Sharkbite slip connect fitting, which works out perfectly because originally I thought I was gonna have to cut out you know, about a 2 or 3 inch piece, use 2 couplings, actually 2 couplings and, you know, 4 connections basically, but turns out they make this feature and lets us just slip it in, so it works perfectly. That was really cool, totally unexpected. One of the Home Depot employees saw me filming and walking out the store. He's like, hey boss, you got a YouTube channel? I'll check it out. And so he just looked it up and hit subscribe. So hey, every which way that I can find subscribers at this point, early on in the game, I will take them. Actually, I'll take them at any point in time, but with, you know, we're early, so I've got 132 the moment that I'm filming this. So when you're watching this and you see a couple thousand, you'll know that this video was filmed when we only had 132 subscribers. Now make that 133 with the gentleman that works here at Home Depot. So I was pretty pumped about that. All right guys, so we're back at the house. Made pretty good time. Leak spot is right here. Get this light in here again. See where that little drip of water is. So we're gonna, okay, using one of these tight space pipe cutters. They're meant for tight spaces like this, thankfully. They fit in perfectly. Should be wearing gloves right now, but I think I'll be all right. So you just snap it onto the pipe and just turn and turn. There's an arrow that indicates which direction to turn. This here. You just turn away. A little hard to do this one-handed. And then eventually it will loosen up. Cut through the pipe. There we go. Starting to get there. Probably should be wearing goggles too, because the water's going to pop out. This actually cuts through. Yeah, it's starting to get easier to turn. So once it starts to get easier to turn, you know you've kind of getting where you need to be. There we go. Alright. There's the water. Thanks. Alright, that's just the water that's in the lines. I should have maybe turn this on. Try and empty that. this. This will work. Let's go like this. Probably should have done this before. There's one more cup. When that gets full, yeah, see it's making a complete mess. And up here, this whole thing's destroyed now. There's electricity there. I'm shocked. Take this off. We have to make one more cut now. A little further. Right here, about 2 inches. Does it look like about 2 inches? It's about 2 inches, right? Do this over here. Alright, snap this in again. Okay, start turning again. There we go. Okay, there we go. So we've got this loose and disconnected now. Let's take this out too. Don't need this anymore. Remove this. So we got both ends cut. It should be ready to come out. It's pretty loose. Yeah, there we go. I just didn't cut myself. There we go. Okay. So these things are super handy again. They come, you know, a fixed size. So this is just for 1/2-inch pipes, obviously. Real good to have. Here's our culprit. The leak was at that joint right there. As you can see, this is going to be an issue more often than not, but we'll tend to that at another point in time. So now we're going to take a little bit of sandpaper and we're going to sand around the edges of each joint, get off any loose debris. Keep this in a cap so it stays nice and clean. Get up here. Don't want any sharp edges. And then Sharkbite makes, I'll show it to you, this little device I bought. They make them, you know, you can get it one in each size or just get the universal one. Not as much. Let me just get all that grit off. Alright, so now this is that tool I was talking about. Find the one for the 1/2-inch. It's labeled right here. Ordinarily, you got more room here, but I don't have a lot of room, so. Thing's broken. All right, so slip end, it's labeled slip end right here. That's the side that's gonna go on. And then, so this side right here is going to slide onto this, and then you use the disconnect ring against this. This squeezes it, it releases some of the pressure, allowing you to slide this on back onto this other side. So perfect. All right, slip end. It's going to go over this pipe. Gonna slide in. doesn't have a stop, so it's gonna slip in. That's the term, slip and notes. Alrighty, so it's slipped in far enough. Don't want to go any further because this is kind of a pain. I'm going to take this over the pipe. I'm going to go like this. Line it up right. I can't get in here. I don't bust this. Okay. Ordinarily you'd be able to get in here with two hands. Push this on. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so see how that worked? You gotta put some effort into this, and it slides right on. Now we've got two seals. Woof. That actually, oh, this is dirty. Seriously. There we go. Nope. Alright, it's late. I did just lick the lens while it's recording. Anyway, I'm a little out of breath. So you gotta really give it some oomph on this end without damaging it. So release the pressure so this can slide. It's clearly in now, an inch on this end. So we should be all set. I'm gonna turn on the water and keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. All right, guys, we have success. Joint is on. It's not leaking. I think. Get a paper towel. We'll wipe it down just to make sure, because the pipe, remember, is still wet. It'll work. Don't see any leaks. Looks like we have success.